What's going on, everybody? My name is Hillbill and welcome to my channel Vagabum, where we discuss motorcycles, camping, travel, and adventure. Today we're going to do a review. We're reviewing the SP Connect clutch perch mount for your phone. It's a quarter turn system, and this actually has a rubber vibration isolator and a charging pad as well. So let's get right into the install, and then we're going to cover some of the things I like and dislike about this system. I'm mounting this SP Connect system on a Harley-Davidson Bagger. SP Connect has a bunch of different mounting options, and I chose their clutch perch mount system. If your phone is right here, it's very easy to take your hand off of the grip and adjust your directions or do whatever you need to do. But they also have like stem mount, handlebar mount. They have a mount for basically any motorcycle that's out there. So let's get into this install, and I'll show you guys how easy it is. Take a T27 Torx and remove the top bolt out of your clutch perch. With the original clutch perch bolt removed, we'll take the supplied SP Connect hardware, add it into the clutch mount, and install it on our clutch perch. Once that's done, all we have to do is adjust the angle that we'd like to see our screen on. I'm just going to guess it to be about right here, and it's such an easy thing to adjust. You can always do it in about 10 seconds. On the back of the phone case, you can see it has the female receiver that goes into the male clutch mount. Then you just walk up to your bike, put your phone on the connector, give it a twist, and it's securely locked. I know someone that's used this system for 2 years and they've never dropped their phone on it. This system gets even better though. It uses the MagSafe portion of the case to charge your phone wirelessly, and we're going to install that real fast. This is the wireless charging module. It also has this rubber dampening built in that removes all of the harmful vibrations that will damage your cell phone. The vibrations that a motorcycle produces can damage the battery and the camera lenses. Installing the anti-vibration charging module is as simple as removing one Allen screw, removing the face of the original mount, and replacing it with a single screw provided. Then we connect the USB-A connector to any of your typical USB outputs. Connect this to the charging module that does clip in securely, and then you can wire this down here out of the way. Installing this SP Connect system only took me about 5 minutes from the comfort of my sidewalk. Maybe 10 minutes if you get the anti-vibration charging module, which I strongly recommend you do. It reduces 60% of the vibrations that will damage your cell phone. Plus, when you get to where you're going, your phone is 100% charged. You cannot beat that. It is a fantastic mount at a great price. I'm going to grab my GoPro and show you guys what the phone looks like when it's on the bike. There we have it. My phone is charging. And here you can see how much the anti-vibration module moves. That is going to absorb all of the dangerous impact and vibration to your phone. So let's jump into a few things I liked. First of all, it's easy to install. You guys just watched the installation. It takes about 5 minutes, and you need the most simplest of hand tools. The hardware is all stainless steel, and it looks really good. And the unit itself is CNC machined aluminum, and it's anodized. So you're not going to wind up with any corrosion. It feels heavy on your hand, and the phone, when it locks in, it feels really secure. I like that it has a super fast wireless charging. When I do about a 30-minute ride, it'll charge my phone about halfway. That's pretty impressive. Here you can see some of the quality hardware and material. I also like how much this unit moves, because I know it's going to save the electronics in my phone. The only gripe that I have about the entire system is where they placed the connector for the charging module. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. I feel like this little unit could have been placed a little bit further away from the actual charging module so that we can hide it down along our handlebars or further away from our wiring. The truth is, I like this system so much, it was hard for me to find a single gripe. If you guys enjoyed this review, please like and subscribe. And if you guys are interested in the SP Connect system, you guys will find a link to it down below. Thank you. Have a good day.